Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get Tata Capital Personal Loan Statement full guide. Log into the Tata Capital portal or app, then go to Loans and choose Personal Loan. Select Statements, pick a date range, and download or email the PDF. Keep your customer ID and registered mobile handy for OTPs, and update the app if you encounter access issues to ensure a smooth download experience. Use the Tata Capital website or mobile app to retrieve your personal loan statement quickly and securely. Sign in with your customer ID, go to Loans, and choose Statements to download a PDF or send it to your email. If you need a physical copy or cannot access online options, visit a branch with ID or contact customer care to request a mailed statement or to resolve access problems promptly. Ensure your registered mobile and email are current to receive statements and OTPs. If statements are missing, check date ranges and filters, then retry downloading or request a historical statement. Protect personal details and avoid public Wi-Fi when accessing statements to keep data safe. Some requests may take a few days, and fees may apply for couriered copies, so ask about timelines and charges.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.